What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and today we're going to do some service and parts on the outside, small little bits, and then we're going to get into stripping out the seats and then the bulkheads from the inside. Let's get into it.
So here are our new number plate lights for the van. As with anything we purchase for the van, we'll put the link to the product in the description box below. These are plug and play, so really simple. We've just checked them out to make sure that they work. You literally plug in with the existing connection and they're spot on. So all we need to do now is to fix these onto the van themselves. What we're going to do before we fit them, we're just going to give the area a little clean, make sure there's no residue from the previous lights on there.
Self-adhesive 3mm tape on the inside. Push. What we're also going to do is when we get some black sealant, we're just going to run a bead just around the outside. Make sure no water gets inside.
And there you go. Working number plate lights. If only all the jobs on the van were this easy.
Next thing we're going to look at is the brake lights. Because at the minute, the running lights on the lower sides, they work, but the brake lights don't work. And at the minute, the only brake light we have working is the one at the top there.
We changed all the bulbs, we fiddled with some wires, but quickly realised that we were lacking the skills to overcome the chaos of the previous Cowboys electrics. Every time we fixed one light, another light would go. The indicators ended up sounding like ticking time bombs, so later on we dropped the van off at our local mechanics, who confirmed our suspicions. We were out of our depth.
Van needs some new wipers, so we've gone for the Bosch Aero Twin AR22U and the AR26U.
Next of our jobs to do is fit our new antenna. We've not been able to get any radio stations whilst we're driving, other than some pretty suspect ones. So hopefully this is just a job of screwing it in, and well, we'll see. As with anything we do, it wasn't quite as simple as just screwing in, but after removing a little bit of the corrosion that was on the kind of female thread on the van, managed to get it to stick. So moment of truth will be, can we get any radio stations? Da-da-da-da-da-da! Oh, stop it. Oh, we can get Classic FM. Everyone, relax.
The glamorous life.
are the stars of the show, Jacob and Charlie, revelling in the fact that this is our van and just generally enjoying being on camera. They have their own series over at our other channel, DSR, on their motorcycles. Although we could watch them dance all day, we figured we could channel their enthusiasm into the cleaning.
As always, thanks for watching this video. This is the second video in our van build series, so stay tuned as we start to tackle the rust that was hidden beneath the floorboards. If you haven't already, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on our journey.